Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best apps to use for Coinbase. Now, I know that Coinbase is a great platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency, but it can be a little overwhelming if you're new to it. That's why I'm here today to help you choose the best app for your needs. But before we get into the specifics, I want to take a step back and talk about why you might want to use an app for Coinbase. There are a few reasons why using an app can be beneficial. Apps are more convenient than using the Coinbase website. Apps can be more user-friendly and easier to navigate. Apps can offer features that are not available on the website. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the meat of this video. The best apps to use for Coinbase are Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is the best app for experienced traders. It offers a wide range of features, including advanced charting, order types, and algorithms. Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is the best app for storing and managing your cryptocurrency. It is secure and easy to use. Coinbase Earn. Coinbase Earn is the best app for learning about cryptocurrency. It offers a variety of educational content and rewards you for completing quizzes and challenges. Coinbase Visa. Coinbase Visa is the best app for using your cryptocurrency in everyday life. It is a prepaid debit card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. Now that you know the best apps to use for Coinbase, it's time to decide which one is right for you. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with Coinbase Wallet. It is easy to use and offers a good introduction to the world of cryptocurrency. If you're an experienced trader, I recommend Coinbase Pro. It offers a wider range of features and is more powerful than Coinbase Wallet. If you're looking to learn more about cryptocurrency, I recommend Coinbase Earn. It offers a variety of educational content and rewards you for completing quizzes and challenges. If you want to use your cryptocurrency in everyday life, I recommend Coinbase Visa. It is a prepaid debit card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. I hope this video has helped you choose the best app to use for Coinbase.